Yes, I'm watching more quaba be membrasso, Yanshan Sama, Ecoso, a good demo, and 7 doors. So there's a fatas out and open. So, yeah, what on idea, bro? Kijuan Cassani, Erica C. Dubwedi, yes, and Gifas Mixture, and one expert.com, Nadia Siakon, quite in some idea, bro. Gifas Mixture, oneexpert.com. Wow. Just say, and radio, now I mean, say, Obi this, just 20,000 Ghana cities, or the Sunday, I'm saying. A second nano permit to screen is on our share. Oneexpert.com. La nika samne say options be wa be be disika. Better companies ibu akakra bi so all pe way yi. Wa share na kitso way bi se na be obedi. Oneexpert dey so person who didn't know buy it debut oneexpert.com. Sanso na Jifas measure mo agina na so say be mani oba anya easy kra. Yes. Sedimo gel and roll on be my pin biako. Sedimo gel and roll on. Sejo Manocho Bernard Padibo Chemi producers kai say or the Nankasa Beka Kejuan where Kasi Dubwedi. And pay my Yeshasi and Fanfi, the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. On Thursday, Ghana and Angola, and I can see back up so AFCON qualifier. You mean 4 points. They say Chomo Yom with my mom home by my partner. 24 players Nefi Accra Kopiemo Kumase, Ashe training as Yanya and Ketu Accra. Now Yemu Kumase Shadi.
Well, African Cup of Nations qualifier ye gusu ekosono. Ya wadano Ghana and Angola Asia kan o baba ya Sports Stadium. The Sentinel Ghana Black Stars players na de omani atwe Kumase. Yo gusu egwa hoboaso edi sha kan sia ya wade beba sono. 24 players and enya ntie se wo mu de omani atwe camp. Na bra Ghana Black Stars head coach Chris Hilton and central footing komono. In sembi odutudwa eni.
And the most important thing is always here and now. We have 2 games. 2 games this week, and this is what the most important thing is. But I also have to have an eye on development, and I think I will be judged on away team play, what I've made from the players that we have, whether I've been managed to get the best out of them. As regards what type of team we will see, what we want to see a winning team. Because there can be and there will be lots of questions on a style of football, players that play, why is this player not playing and why is this player playing? Are you too defensive? Are you too offensive? Ultimately, what we all want to see is winning football. And that starts with the correct preparation of the team, using the players to the best of their ability, and picking a team that suits the type of players that we have. So I think we all, as coaches, start on the same level, same starting point. And the starting point is to put together a group of players to play as a team.
Right. Black Krishna, Warrior Bo, actually more the Badwam Ghana to me at the 3 maximum points against Angola. Now I also see training and Ghana goalkeeper Jojo Wallacott. Training ekọ so ehwe na po no ebuba ekregban abone so esese ni kokromoti ehwaka enti Jojo Wallacott pra ye hwe say doctors to me cleared ya and maybe ya wodo betima gina mo siakan but ye kan kakọ na ehwe ya na want ma gina mo siakan ye mo nra eno so nsem.
So through the Ghana Football Association or in conjunction with the Ministry of Youth and Sports,
the course of the training, I'm say Wallacott epic knock into ofimu ebetna abonti
na Wallacott de na den you say movable goalpost no bi bu abono no kre
movable goalpost and so normal ye can I say half pitch training
small sided games sir.
Yeah, so the intensity no intino no jina bakum na atizigi so jina bakum na enframa ehum etuye enze ye training no ewiemu ye kusu kakra sense yo beto nti ehum etuye na ehum no fa po no nti ogina ho no na etone na mi so enyina ye mushi thinking say bia we practice here but medical staff no rush ko park na so ekohwe later no mbeka cheze the 90 fa no ne kokromoti na po no eboso but omo treat no we ground champion esan ko gina ho prayers and photo session omo ye in honor of Christiana Chu and afi ifiwa ebe ni ekire hotel nti serious
sir serious bia serious e kire obetima training
Dr. Pambu say ne ho ye.
Oh,
So mo treat no man no in room no more park no so just to kill the pain. And I feel no cry you didn't ho feel na yes no na there. It will be okay. As we speak, omo have dinner. Omo be have.
Right, I know name Sama Henry Asante Communications Director at the Mother Ghana Football Association, the two general was and performs was not so at the see a year Chris Hilton contract in the Munsemu.
So, through the Ghana Football Association or in conjunction with the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Mr. Chris Hilton will be the next coach of the Black Stars from now until December 31, 2024. He will work with two assistants already. We know Masudi Dramani and George Boateng were with him during the World Cup in Qatar. They were assisting Otto Addo, and Chris was also in the role as the technical advisor, but today he took over as the head coach of the team. And for the first time, the head coach and his two assistants will have their contracts running concurrently. What it means is that the contract that Mr. Chris Hilton has signed, his two assistants have both signed the same contract, which would run until December 31, 2024. The two parties have agreed that the terms of this contract shall be subject to a performance review. The head coach and his assistants will be paid through the Ministry of Youth and Sports. And of course, the contracts have been signed, and going forward, we have an agreement in place. His official place of residence shall be in Ghana, but anytime he wants to travel, he will be given the needed support or provided with the needed support to
right. Henry Asante Chum ne kasama the Ghana Football Association or TC contract ni mu yi no. Na ye kind of say no na oneexpert.com no ma aboy na no pay some na dey bro bet here oneexpert.com. Na che say kowa ye koyi no ese cash kakra wo botom. Kokrumbe ya odan ni botom. Nti e sabri ya kuzi se be kokwo no di rough from di che say ekwaji ani. Ni panza hiyo. Aba salasi ni obi na kwa bo afi uni ho nti afi ne to sa na wa yire ho ajwe ni pansere wa oneexpert.com. Now ya tesi mountain so na Ghana for akasa fa Chris Hilton ya ko fana Barca Black Stars coach
aya foul usi umbe fa cup there na umbe fa team na there u build strong team I there me coach ni there to me ni there manage ne ho
coach no nya there oka technical advice na mko work cup no je no de ka team ho a oboye onya there masa mo forget no na enko yi
sika on ba be chadi because ya mo bia no be Black Star onya there
masa ka wa na coach there ye hunu yi coach ni ye hunu yi ano ano maka no coach no onye o mesan na mesa paper
so ni ami hunu no ni mo so we ade ba je ye penisa ba jo nu so we je pa
coach no Chris Hilton no ni engineer ndi sa F4 na na hyehyɛ sɛ na be o betuma yusu no na o de aye coefficient o de aye skedie ani ti na o de ne bae me engineer ndi
coach aya foul usi umbe fa
well fans they been some more the two jano no anti Shannon sa fa me doso but I'm renting a trust to Shannon so say obi an adwenhre e wa Chris Hilton in some no G fast measure e mo jana so ba and afisu bema yes MTN FA Cup draw na betom Yanhwese City quarter final Southern Zone Dreams FC ni Legon City's neighbor na fe Sky FC and Ebusuan Drafts so they appear so we ni Southern Zone Northern Zone came fight and Adriana Stars na bebo na RTU and in Swatreman so they appear so one more na qualify for the quarter finals of the MTN FA Cup is a telephone be brefim the Dreams FC one more ejinemu and of course so residential city one more age number 9 so normally Legon City they appear so na Sky ni Ebusuan Drafts abo na can fight and Adriana wow RTU in Swatreman kama pa nya sem keto akra eti we ni se ne ho sem esiatie se pin ni be kwa sedimo gel and roll on tidino okod drugs also per sedimo gel and roll on be come one sem chere and one dance die bebre pen bia beko e said mo jalen roll on oneexpert.com na be bet o maka chene se o bet na diska go botum na feji fast mention mo agina na so ba ene be memo nyuma kwene de yesi akonkwa no premier den sam na de brewo sajo ma no chone bana pare bo twa me producers kai say wo de nankasa beka kejuan ho ere kase edu body ne koso a na hwe bedwem